What is going on, people? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video on flipping cars to the top. As you see, guys, about a month and a half ago I changed the name of the channel. Car business side of things, guys, you know, that's all right, that's doing good. Basically what it is I can't be bothered to be doing content on, you know, the business side of things, because what I've realized is it takes so much time doing these videos, editing these videos, and when I get a car, I can't get the car prepped until I'm documenting that car and show you guys the start, the middle, and the end of the process of that car. And in return, that actually delays the process of me getting that car for sale. I end up getting backlogs with cars. I end up sitting on them cars. I get to the point where I've got a new car and I end up forgetting about the cars I bought about a week, 2, 3, or even a month ago, and the cars end up sitting there. I've still got one car that I bought last year just sitting there. That just goes to show you that, you know, doing content on cars can take up a lot of your time. What I've decided to do anyways is, as you can see, I've sacrificed a lot of my performance cars to get to where I am today in this business. I don't have any nice things. I don't have any nice performance cars. I don't have anything that can satisfy my need as a, you know, a guy that loves speed, a guy that loves performance cars. What I've decided to do, I've actually been watching a lot of Wheeler Dealer Dream Cars. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. Business side of things, guys, I've been working my ass off getting cars ready for sale, and sort of putting that to one side and try and focus on that, because I want to really be successful at it. I don't want to be where I am today in this car business, just flipping the same old things over and over and over and over. I want to progress in this business. I want to be able to have RS3s, Golf Rs, C63s, you know, TTRS, M3s, M4s, M2s, you name it. I want to have all them cars. So I want to try and work my ass off and keep on pushing forward till I get to the point where my credit score is good enough to get a loan. My credit score is good enough, you know, that I can, you know, sort of have a business loan, have, you know, good credit to get, you know, potentially a house in the future. You know, there's so much things I want to do. So I want to not stop where I am now, and the business side of things I'm going to take a lot more serious. So I'm going to do as much content as I can for you guys, but in order to keep this channel going, because I value people's time, I value people's support, and I really want a performance car. So what I'm going to do, as you notice, I've changed the name of the channel to Flipping Cars to the Top. The reason I did that is because I am actually going to be starting off with £1,000 car or less, and I'm going to fix that car, and I'm going to get that car prepped in one video and hopefully put up for sale in the same video. And hopefully that car will sell for either £500 to £1,000 or maybe more profit. And that will bring the grand total up to maybe £2,000 or £2,200 or maybe £1,500. We'll see what we can get for the car. Stay tuned. Tomorrow's video, I've got the perfect car. I'm actually sitting in it. I have actually been doing a lot of content on this vehicle for about a week, 2 weeks now, and I was just waiting to drop the video as a whole, if that makes sense. Sometimes we might have to do 2 videos on one car, but for now, as you notice, I've not been doing content, so I've managed to gain the content to bring you guys an episode on one car. I was starting off car. My plans for how I'm going to get this supercar, I'm looking at a GTR, R35 or Audi R8 V10 Plus, RS6, or maybe another C63. Who knows? The car I'm starting off with cost me £900. I'm actually sitting in it. More information on that in tomorrow's video, guys. I just thought I'd do a little video today just to let you guys know I'm still here, I'm still well, and thank you for everyone that supports the channel by subscribing, and thank you to everyone that has continued to be a subscriber to the channel. You guys are amazing. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy what I've got coming for you tomorrow. And hopefully we can, you know, keep this channel going with momentum now and flipping our way up to a supercar. It's going to be interesting. I've got a game plan. Stay tuned.